teddy bears, so to get started, get off this, all this heat. Here. There's this side too. Here. Let's get this up. Prove to you how long it is. Get off this wall. As you can see, I'll be doing like all of these in a little bit. Now, close the one. Here's a pretty heavy one. Take this. I don't know if I've ever done a base cam before. First instructions from the exam, stuff like that. Did I forget to say he's also fuzzy? I guess I did. You guys have a pretty idea. Hey, it looks nice. Just gonna stuff out there.
You're that free bear.
What? Yeah. He does have fuzzy hair, really fuzzy. I do have another furry bear one. This guy's from Canadian Hair. That other one is from Lowe's from Moose Jaw. It was Ralphie. I was in Moose Jaw for a soccer tournament. And I was there. I seen a little moose in him. And I bought him all. So we have,
Echo.
now we have two fuzzies. And I'll zoom in. Before I put him in, if I can get my camera now to zoom in, he does have a fuse. See? It's hard to pop it. So, there. This one would be cute to do with. So, it looks like it's hard. So I guess I'll have to get my dad to class camera now. So, there he is. There you go. As you can see, he's a hugging teddy bear. I'll quickly grab it and show you here. Come close up, you can see it's all furry. Nice and furry. Here's this nice eye color. I really like it. Like the dotted parts on him. But I just don't really like how the scarf's all tied. Oh, the top. So yeah, this is him. Really fuzzy. He's blue, like really tiny. And his arms are kind of bent. But that's him. He is 6.5 feet. Go here. 6.5 to 6.5. 6.5. It's 6.5 feet. Really awesome. I recommend it. I really recommend this guy. He inflates in like seconds. I really, really recommend it. Right down there. I'll show ya. Right there. Like it's easy to see. And that's it. That actually isn't fuzzy. It's full on that. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's really cool at the back side. But So here, there's like a little air pocket. The zipper is right there, and it's not fuzzy. There's that. His Christmas hat. Let's bring you back while looking at the bear. That's his cute little face. She is a really, really cute little lady. I really like it. Each side of the arm is fuzzy. As you can see, even like the ears are fuzzy. All over that face. It is Christmas. I feel like it's
I can fix that, Setter.